Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Google Maps timeline trend on TikTok for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Lately, a lot of people shared their Google Maps timeline on TikTok, and this become a trend that may you want to join. So this is that kind of video, guys, and I'm going to show you how you can make this video. Okay, first, you're going to open up your setting. So here I'm using Android mobile phone. This is not iOS, so maybe the step will be a little different on iOS. Okay, I'm gonna open up my setting, and then I'm going to open up my location setting. Okay, let me open it again, and we're going to go to the location and select the location services, and then we're going to select the timeline, and we're going to choose an account. Since I have logged into multiple accounts on my Android phone, I need to choose one of them, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then we're going to export the timeline data. Okay, and then I'm going to click on continue, and we're going to verify. Okay, and then you're going to name it, guys. I'm going to name it timeline 2026. Okay, we're going to save it, and after that we're going to open up our browser, and we're going to search for timeline visualizer. Timeline visualizer. Okay, and there are a lot of websites that we can visit, but I'm going to choose this one, the first one, and we're going to choose the timeline for the JSON document. You're going to choose it, and then you're going to name it, guys. I'm going to name it travel. All right, and then you can choose the period. I'm going to choose July 2026. Okay, and also for the end time, okay, let's just choose August, and you can choose the duration. I'm going to choose 20 seconds, and video format, and then you're going to click on this checkbox, and then click on create MP4. Okay, and we're going to wait until 100%. Okay, done, and this is the result. And you're going to click on download MP4 right here, and the video will be saved to your device, and then you can share it to your TikTok account. Okay, guys, and that's how you can create Google Maps timeline trend on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.